एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। ये कहते हुए इतना अच्छा लगता है ना यार, मतलब क्या बताऊँ मैं आपको। एनीवे, आई एम आदिति एंड टुडे इज गोना बी रियली रियली क्रेजी, क्योंकि मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ एक दिल बहलाने वाली स्टोरी। थोड़ा ज़्यादा ड्रामेटिक हो गया, बट हु केयर्स यार, वी आर हियर टू बी ड्रामेटिक। एंड मुझे यहाँ पे आप सबसे गॉसिप करके कितना मज़ा आता है ना। बट एनीवे, अपने पॉपकॉर्न लेके आओ, कॉफ़ी चाय जो भी तो सब लेके आओ, क्योंकि आज का जो स्टोरी है ना बहुत मज़ेदार होने वाला है। सो without a further ado, let's get started. Now, 2 years back, exactly 2 years back, I was in Dubai. And long story short, I went to Dubai to learn international makeup techniques, and I was, searching for places, which is a good one. And Dubai was, obviously one of the best places to learn makeup and cosmetics, surgeries, and everything, right? So I went there, and I was there in Dubai for good amount of time. Now, cut short to the real story, okay? So, I think it was the last day of my Dubai trip, और चाहे उसको educational trip कह लो या जो भी कह लो, but it was the last day of my Dubai and हमें yacht जाना था, ठीक है? We had booked a very beautiful cruise yacht for the last day. Now, the point is, Dubai is considered as one of the safest country, with the safest place to be, right? मतलब ऐसा है दुबई में कि अगर आप कोई महंगी से महंगी चीज़ भी अगर रास्ते में उठा मतलब रख लो ना, कोई भी उसको उठा के लेके नहीं जाएगा. So I knew that things are like that, and it was an amazing trip. Cut short to the last day. We had booked this yacht. अब जितनी भी पिक्चर्स या वीडियोस मुझसे हो पाएंगी ना, मैं आपको डालते जाऊंगी meanwhile in the conversation, right? Alright. So it was the last day where we went for the yacht trip. Now for the yacht trip के एक दिन पहले I went to the Dubai Mall and I bought my very first expensive bag, which was Aldo. If you have heard the brand, Aldo ka bag, and it costed me somewhere around 6,000 rupees. Okay, coming from a middle class family, 6,000 is a great amount for me. And मैं अपने चीज़ों को, trust me, मैं एक होर्डर हूँ, मुझे प्यार है अपने चीज़ों से. बहुत लोगों के लिए I'm pretty sure 6,000 people के हो 6,000, it's very normal. For me, even 100 rupees thing is as equivalent to a lakh rupees, अगर वो चीज़ उतनी आपके लिए वैल्यूबल है. मेरे बकेट लिस्ट में था कि मैं कभी एक ऑल्डो का बैग खरीदूंगी, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज सीन इट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड आई वांटेड टू बाय अ बैग. सो राइट बिफोर अ डे ऑफ माई यॉट ट्रिप, मैंने दुबई मॉल से ऑल्डो का बैग लिया था. मैं जब यॉट ट्रिप पे गई, सो देयर इज़ दिस लेन वेयर यू हैव टू गो, जहाँ पे आपकी सीरियल नंबर्स आपको दी जाती हैं जब आपको पता चलता है कि आपका यॉट कब आने वाला है. देयर इज़ दिस ब्यूटिफुल वेटिंग रूम जहाँ पे कॉफ़ी, स्नैक्स, एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर, राइट? नाउ me and my mom, we went together, so we had booked this private yacht. So उस yacht में 3 decks थे, right? So like deck number 1, which is like your private space, जहाँ पे आप chill कर सकते हो, you can drink, eat, whatever, indoor. Then deck number 2, which is again private for some other family. या तो आप group trip कर सकते हो बुक, जिसमें एक ही deck होता है and all the group is there together. या तो आप private कर सकते हो. So we opted for the private one because you never know how many people are gonna be there, and we wanted to enjoy our own space. So there are 3 decks again. Deck number 1, जिसमें मैं और मेरी ममा थे, and deck number 2, which is some other family, and then deck number 3, which is the rooftop, which is like shared by all the people together, right? Now, जैसे ही हमने एंटर किया, यू बी इन अ क्यू, एंड क्यू में आपकी बैग्स चेकिंग होती हैं, राइट? इफ़ यू इन केस यू हैव सम एक्सप्लोजिव्स, या आपके पास कुछ नाइफ, कटर, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. So we were in a queue, and there was this Iranian lady who was like a little creepy, a little suspicious, I remember. And वो अपना बैग दिखाने से ना मना कर रही थी कि कुछ नहीं है. एक तो she was not able to speak English very very well. So she was like trying to, not show her bag, but then obviously the managers and whoever the security is, they have to check, and they checked, and there was nothing in her bag. I don't know why she was behaving like that. So me and my mom were in deck 1, and let me tell you, I don't know why I took my Aldo bag together with me. जबकि yacht trip है, yacht पे तो मतलब people do not take things like that. मुझे मतलब इतना प्यार हो गया तो उस बैग से, I was like कि नहीं मैं लेके जाऊँगी. उस बैग में कुछ भी नहीं था, लिटरली उस बैग में कुछ भी नहीं था, पर मैं लेके गई. So the lady was standing right in front of me and I was at the back. She crossed the deck and she turned back and said, I love your Aldo bag. And I was like, okay, thank you so much. And I knew that, she had an eye on my bag. I don't know, I just had this feeling. Now, me and my mom were in the private deck, which is deck number 1. She and some other group, not necessarily her group, but she went to the deck number 2. So it was almost lunchtime. We were enjoying everything, and the lunch had this beautiful barbecue. Now, this same Iranian lady barged into deck 1, which is our private deck, and she sat with mummy and she wanted to be friends with her, take pictures with her, and I don't know why I just felt a little suspicious. Okay, so I couldn't even be, very impolite with her, because it's I'm not saying कि आप बाहर जाते हो तो आप किसी के साथ pictures मत लो, but what I'm trying to say is, if you don't feel comfortable, then it's your choice, right? So I didn't tell her anything, but I called the deck manager and I said, listen, this lady has just barged into our the private area, and can you please ask her to go back? So after like a few minutes, the manager just came in. He asked her to, go. And she went back to her deck, okay? So now it was afternoon, almost like evening, 3:34 maybe. So we all went to the rooftop together, right? Because it was a shared area, and we went there for some like the city sightseeing and everything. There was photographers. You were about to take pictures. You can take pictures, videos, or whatever. And the rooftop was so good, but I made sure that I took my bag upar, क्योंकि private area है and you never know, like although it was like very safe, it's just in my head, right? तो मैं बैग लेके गई, and I also put pictures कि हर पिक्चर और हर वीडियो में ना वो बैग मेरे साथ है. हम सब पिक्चर्स ले रहे हैं, वीडियोस ले रहे हैं, everything is going fine. I came down and we were enjoying our evening drinks. It was almost time to go back. Few minutes apart, I realized I don't have my bag. I do not have my bag with me. The Aldo bag जो मैंने इतनी तपस्या से खरीदा है, वो भी एक दिन पहले, is not with me. So I was like scared. Now कुछ टाइम के लिए तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया. My mind was like, is that the Iranian lady? I was like, no way, I cannot judge a book by its cover. No, let me not do that. So I went to the deck manager, and before even I could ask, the deck manager said that, ma'am, I think you left your bag in the rooftop. I need to give it back to you. This is the beautiful bag that I bought. और ये इतना अमेजिंग बैग है ना, ये दिखता छोटा है पर इसके अंदर मैं अपनी पूरी ट्रूजो रख सकती हूँ. आई कैन लिटरली कैरी, एंड आई एम अ पर्सन हु वुड कैरी हर एंटायर हाउस इनटू हर बैग. सो आई गॉट माई बैग बैक, एंड तब जाके मेरी जान में जान आई है. सो दिस वॉज द एंटायर स्टोरी, बट I still don't know what was wrong with that Iranian lady. She was literally creepy. But yeah, is Dubai the safest place to be? 110%. It is one of the most safest places to be. And yeah, that was the final day of my Dubai yacht trip. We came back, we had some rest. And trust me, मैं उस दिन Aldo bag को बगल में बेड के रख के सोई हूँ. I was like, कभी कभी ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस हो जाते हैं. बट आई वाज आल्सो फीलिंग रियली सैड कि आई शुडंट हैव जज्ड अ बुक बाय इट्स कवर. बट होता है ना, व्हेन यू फील, सी हाउ आवर साइकोलॉजी वर्क्स, राइट? you feel like something crazy is happening, and then आप दो situation को kind of connect कर देते हो, but it's not like that. So yeah, that was the entire story. I hope you enjoyed it. And आप लोगों के साथ कभी ऐसे theft हुआ है या आपको कभी ऐसा वहम हुआ है तो आप मुझे comment section में ज़रूर बताओ. And if you're enjoying such storytelling podcast/videos, then I would love to do more. And I will see you in the next episode, in the next video. Bye, take care, have a good night या good morning. आप जब भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं खूब सारा प्यार दे दो, and like, share, comment, subscribe. I will see you again super soon. Till then, bye, take care, bye, bye, bye.